Howdy! Welcome to Your Average Bear. No. Howdy! Welcome to Your Average Bear Gaming. I'm George, and today I have a short hobby tip for you if you like to paint Warhammer 40k models. Okay, so let's set the scene. You have a couple of models you need to prime. How do you set them up? Do you use a painting paddle, or do you use some other kind of method to get the priming on your models and off your grubby little fingers? Well, for the past year or so, I've been using these painting paddles from Citadel Color. Now, I'm not the cleanest person in the world, but I'm kind of a neat freak when it comes to certain things. And my painting paddle was getting really grubby. I have about a year's worth of primer and spray paint on it. It was getting nice and thick on there, and I thought, you know what would be great? I have some paint stripper that works pretty good in my models. I wonder if I could use this stuff to clean my painting paddle, get all those layers of paint off of it. The answer is yes and no. Here's my painting paddle after it's been stripped. Kind of looks okay, doesn't look great, but let's get a really close look at this. Look at that nastiness. It's actually less usable now than it was before I stripped it. I mean, I could still use it, but look at all that stuff. It's so gross. Now instead of having hard paint, I have melted gooey paint. Like, it's sticky. Not only is it gross, but you get paint all over your hands. It's not just normal paint. It's like old, grubby, sticky paint. It's pretty gross. And it took forever to get it even this clean. I used the paint stripper, I used a wire brush, I used a toothpaste, I clawed stuff off with my fingernails. It took a while. And, okay, look, see? Now, whenever I touch this thing, I get this stuff all over me. It's like, yeah, it's gross. So here's the deal. If you have one of these, don't give in to temptation. Don't attempt to use paint stripper on it. The plastic is fine. It's just not worth the effort. The results you get back, you're going to wish you had just left it alone. Had I not stripped it, I'd still be using this. But as it is, this painting paddle, it's done. So, what do? Do I go and buy another one of these? I could, but I have a better idea. This is what I'm going to try to use next. These are painting sticks. You stick them in a bucket of paint like you use at your house. You stir them up, and that's what these are for. But I've seen at least one professional YouTube Warhammer 40k painting dude use these to really good effect. The idea is, well, okay, so I'll show you the idea. I'm sure it's not new. I'm sure you've seen other people do it. I hadn't done it because I'm kind of fancy, but I think it's time. So the idea is you take your models, you sticky tack them to this paddle, the stir stick, and now you can prime. And I think this is going to work a little bit better than my painting paddle because it's way more narrow, which means I can get at the model from all directions. Where before, the paddle is pretty wide, and so the bottom was kind of obscured quite a bit. So I think this is going to work out better. As a bonus, a replacement for this is going to be about $20. This pack of 3 cost me $1 at my local hardware store. And to boot, it's not another piece of plastic I have to buy and then eventually get rid of. This is wood. I mean, it's biodegradable, but if it's covered in paint, it probably will be less so. But at least I didn't use any petroleum for this. Whatever, it's a little more sustainable. And if I had to get rid of this, like I had to get rid of this, 33 cents is going to hurt a lot less than 20 bucks. So that's it. That's my advice. If you have a paddle, don't use paint stripper on it. It's not going to work out very well. Maybe it's just the brand that I use. Maybe you have a better idea for cleaning that stuff. Just leave it as it is. If you don't have one and you're thinking of getting one, maybe try some of these. These might work better. They're more sustainable. And if they get really gross, you can chuck them. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful afternoon. As always, be nice to yourselves and each other. Peace.